Hi there, hope you're doing good. So here I am with the demo. As you can see, these are the two copies of this. So I have made some additional sub headings and subheadings. As you can see, these are here. Let me try and run. This is the document to be updated. I don't know exactly what you want. You want me to do it from the start, or from maybe you can start from the C1, so that we can give this control. But as a rush, I have completed this. Let me run it, and you will see. These all articles will be updated here, as you can see it now. And I have added the URL as well. These will be converted to in URL as well. The URL can also be provided with the in front of the cell, or maybe within the cell. So this method can also be the way you want it can also be modified. So now you can see these are the additional things I have added. Let me put some more so that you can see exactly. So maybe you want to do some numbers here. Whatever number you will put here will be shown here exactly. So let me delete these again, and run this one again. Now you can see 20 and 21 as well. Okay, so you can see these are updated. The ones are updated here are updating here. So it's working perfectly. Okay, let me know how exactly you want me to do this. um, it should be start from the always from the beginning, and what should be the code of the mode of URL get and apply on it. Thank you.